Ow. Hey everybody, for today's video, gonna try and do this kind of quick. It's starting to rain here, so it's gonna be right in between I guess a couple bands coming through. It was back in late February of 2024. The video published March 3rd of 2024, and it's currently now mid-September. So we're about 6 months after I installed the PCV fix kit along with the catch cam. A lot of people were asking, like, what does a catch cam do? I explained it. Some people were saying you don't need it. Some people are saying you do. We're going to do right now is I'm going to check the catch can here. It's been about 6 months. I haven't had to change the oil since. The car doesn't get driven all that much compared to a lot of people. So I'm going to unscrew this, and we're going to see what's in there, if there's anything in there. And then if you want to, decide whether you think it's worth the money for you to get the catch can or not. Okay? I showed you how to do it in the installation video of the routing for with or without the catch can. So I'll link that right here in the card and the description, and you can watch the install process. So I got the whole kit through Super Cruze's, and Super Cruze's works with the Chevy the Cruze kits guy who makes the actual routing of the hoses, all that stuff, and Cruze kits kind of works together with them. If you get the one from ZZP, I think the only option is you get the setup with the catch can. So this is after 6 months of not so much driving in my car, and it for the most part is empty. There's film and vapor stuff that's caught, but it is not pulled up in it like some cars are. So do with this information what you will. I just want you to also remember that what happens with your vehicle is completely situationally dependent. Where you live, the climate, how much you drive, the gas you use, all that sort of stuff has an effect on how this would work for you. And now it's starting to rain. I gotta get this done real quick. Okay, let me back that out. Okay, so my situation, like I said, I don't drive it that much. It's mostly kind of, I don't know, if it gets driven, it's usually sub 25-30 miles a day. It's not like when I first got the car, when I was driving, 45 minutes both ways, twice a day, 5 days a week. So that is my current driving situation. I run 87 octane. I'm in a place that is fairly mild winters, hot ass summers. It's in North Carolina, so it's humid as shit. So that is my situation with the catch can. Now, I think this kit was just shy of $300 when I got it. If you wanted to do just the hose kit, and this is entirely up to you, that's about just shy of $80, okay? And you may ask me, do I think I wasted money on the catch can? No, I don't, because it is catching some form of vapor and blow by a little bit. I just don't have as much blow by as like a lot of other people. But this is entirely up to you. If you want to do the catch can kit, go ahead, follow the instructions I did it. If you don't want to do the catch can kit, that's fine. You don't have to. Still follow the instructions I did. Whew, we just beat this rain. And it's your decision. Other people that have done it, theirs fills up fast. One guy commented, I'm assuming a guy, maybe a gal, I don't know, in the other video that they have to empty theirs out every 1,000 to 2,000 miles because it catches a lot of like water vapor for the most part. And if you live in colder climates, they'll freeze up and then your system gets blocked out because there's like a block of ice in the way, okay? But like I said, everything is entirely situationally dependent. I just wanted to give you about a 6-month update from install to now so you can try and decide if it is worth it to you or not. The best thing that you can ever have when it comes to anything in life is knowledge of the situation. So you have the knowledge relating to mine. Look up what other people's situation and see if yours is closer to their experience or closer to mine, and then just go from there. It's entirely up to you. I get paid nothing by anybody. I just want you guys to be informed consumers. Okay? All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I will see you next time.